back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is very high paying for what it seems it is, so I thought I would share. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Grafana Labs. Now, they are a startup company. They have 96 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of the reviews they do have a fairly high rating. They come in at 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a renewal specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only, but it says the renewal specialist is responsible for transactional details of renewing their current customer base. The customer success team will provide value for customers through the customer lifecycle with trying to charter, retaining, and growing their customer base. Your primary responsibility for tracking and processing renewals. You are the conduit between the customer and their account team for all things renewal related, such as on-time renewals and term length increases. So you'll be the key business partner to the customer service team, enthusiastically renewing their existing customer accounts, including upgrading them to new pricing. You'll manage a 2-quarter out renewal pipeline, partnering with the account team, making sure that renewal process is seamless to the customers. You'll be self-motivated to achieve weekly, monthly, and quarterly targets. You'll collaborate with the account team to execute the renewal strategy, improve the product adoption, and address any churn risk in the business. So you're basically going to work with customer documentation, creating an enablement material on top of doing the renewals. Now, that is it. They are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience owning renewals in a customer success role, someone who has solid business knowledge, great skills with numbers, and someone who has a great verbal and written communication skills. Now, the base pay range for this position is anywhere from $80,000 a year all the way up to $97,000 a year. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.